Hello, I'm Lawrence Chard, and welcome to our Chards Coin and Bullion Dealer YouTube channel. So, today, what's in the box? No, but whatever it is still alive and it's bursting to get out. We need to handle this with care. Now, actually, we have already taken this out and had a look, and it did come in actually a wooden crate that's about twice this size that was screwed together. But I got to see this, just a few minutes ago. And I thought, let's have a look. If anybody thinks this has got to be something big and heavy and it was something alive, I should have been putting my hands in there more carefully in case I got bitten or attacked or whatever, because you never know. This has come, by the way, from the Perth Mint in Western Australia. And in Perth, they have all sorts of unusual animals. Some of them are dangerous, poisonous, venomous, creepy crawlers. They've got spiders that, and snakes in the dunny. Everyone knows what a dunny is, I guess. And so you have to be careful about going to the loo in the dark. So what's in here? Is it a bird? No. Is it a plane? No. Is it Superman? What needs to be to get this out of here? And here we go. Oh, yeah. Is that impressive, folks? Now, we did have one of our young ladies that was interested in shooting this video, but she kind of chickened out and said she couldn't handle it at the last minute. And I think it was when she saw our working title, which is what, Christian? What we called it?
Does size matter? Is it, I don't know what we've agreed on just yet.
Yeah, well, does size matter? Because it's not the biggest coin I've ever seen. The biggest coin I've ever seen is the Perth Mint 1 ton gold coin. And the photos of me somewhere with that. In Berlin at the World Money Fair, but you can see that. So what this is it's a 10 kilo silver snake. Now, every year the Perth Mint do a 10 kilo lunar silver coin, and the issue limit every year is 100 pieces, and most years they sell out quite quickly. Most years we ask for, I think some years we used to ask for 10, and we used to get 1. And since then, we've been asking for 2 or 3, knowing that there's no point asking for 10. And this year, I think we said 3, and surprisingly, we got 2, which is the first time we've had 2 of them for quite a few years yet. Now, these aren't cheap, and what's more, they're not a low premium, because the tooling up to make these monsters is quite expensive. And because of the low production volume, they have a higher premium per ounce or per gram or per kilo than for smaller coins like ounces and kilos. So it's not really a bullion coin, but it is produced just to a bullion finish. Perth Mint's bullion finish, definitely not dead yet, is it? It's going to roll outside. All right, stop there. Rolling about that. And it comes with a certificate. And there we go. The certificate is number 51. We'll show you close up to this. And what's more, when we get a few minutes, we're going to carefully take this out of the capsule. And it does need a lot of care, because you can't just leave it off at one side, it breaks the capsule. We know it's happened before, and getting replacements for this capsule is not easy. Often takes us, when we've wanted one, 6 months of the year to get a spare capsule, and they're not exactly cheap either. But they're fabulous coin, really nicely made. Chards on that side. And this is the Chinese lunar calendar year of the snake, and it's also the year of the wood snake, because the lunar calendar not only goes in 12-year cycles, but it also goes in 5 What are they called? What's the word, Chris, in that one?
What is the word? Elements.
Yes, 5 elements. And the current lunar calendar, we're now into wood. So it's a wood snake. What a beauty. What a nice coin. What we could do with here is, what we should have is, let backyard Bullion see this, but he'd want it at the capsule and he'd want to be playing with it and throwing it around. And we're not having that with this coin. It's too good for that.
I think that would look great in our friend Cobra Stacker's cabinet in his new building.
Right.
So I might have to send him a link to one of these.
Yeah, and you can have a look. So there we go. Is there anything else we need to say about that? I need to sit down now because that's a bit of weightlifting. I have been thinking for quite a long time that we ought to encourage more physical activity from people, some sports, some keep fit things, some cardio exercise, because numismatics and stacking, bullion investing is generally a fairly sedentary kind of hobby or pastime. You'd be surprised how physical it can get here, because when we get, before now, we get something like a 1/2 ton delivery of silver bars. We've even had a 3.2 ton delivery of silver coins from Perth, and even monster boxes of gold coins take quite a lot of handling and manhandling, and can get quite breathless with these. And some of it's from the excitement of seeing the coin that you haven't seen one of for a while, and some of it's the physical excize, just holding it and we spin it around.
Just for the viewers to see the actual the width of that coin is incredible. How many inches would you say that is?
Well, if I say 9 inches, you'll think I'm exaggerating. I don't know, you can make it when it counts, but I think
I'm sure it'll be on our product page on our website as well.
I think it might tell you in the specifications thing, which I can't read in this light, but you can pop all that on the video and let people see. I don't actually know the price for this yet, but I did do a calculation the other day because somebody said, "Oh, how much is that? About £10,000." And I cannot, and the rest. It's well over that, into 5 figures. And as I say, it's not a bullion item. It's a collectible, and there will only be a maximum of 100 people in the world who can and will get to own one of these. So there you go. Anything else I need to say? No, I think that's probably all, folks. So hope you enjoyed this, in which case give it a thumbs up and hope that your snake doesn't roll away when you're not watching. Thumbs down if you don't like it. Subscribe if you want to see more like this, because we've got another one due to arrive next week, but we won't do another video about that. One of the other things I think is, well, we also used to buy regularly 1 kilo gold coins, and I don't think we've bought one for a while. Shipping them is a bit of a problem, but I've also thought we ought to have a 10 kilo gold coin, and I think Perth Mint has stopped making them for now. I wonder if we asked them really nicely, would they make one? Don't know. We'll find out one day. Anyway, I guess I have to say subscribe if you want to watch developments. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.